Welcome to the GRACE Artisan School Renewable Energy Assistant program. This NQF Level 4 24-credit skills program is designed to accelerate South Africa's green economy through accessible vocational training and virtual knowledge delivery. GRACE Artisan School is dedicated to bridging the renewable energy technical skills gap. We achieve this through our combination of accredited, market-aligned vocational training and modern, flexible hybrid learning models. Our program empowers South Africa's green workforce by addressing industry-wide skills shortages, fostering community upliftment through rapid reskilling, and providing a practical, accredited pathway toward becoming a qualified solar PV or wind service technician. This program, registered with QCTO as SP2-10602, prepares learners to assist service technicians with installation and maintenance. It is open to both employed and unemployed individuals with a minimum NQF Level 1 entry qualification. Our hybrid delivery model consists of 3 core phases: self-paced virtual theory, automated online testing to verify your foundational knowledge, and a focused, supervised hands-on workshop to master practical skills. Safety is the absolute cornerstone of our training. We instill a, quote, zero-harm mindset, ensuring every learner is fully proficient in lockout/tagout procedures, the correct use of PPE, and hazardous incident reporting before they ever step onto an active site. The program features 25 comprehensive knowledge topics, categorized into 4 key areas: OHS and safety, electrical fundamentals, tools and equipment, and essential eco-frameworks. Designed for maximum impact, our 30-day curriculum combines efficient digital learning with intensive practical mastery. We also offer full recognition of prior learning access, granting advanced standing for those with existing industry experience. Our practical application modules are designed to build job-ready skills. You will learn to use mechanical measurement instruments, perform precise marking off and joining, and execute professional soldering and load lifting techniques. The learner progression path is clear. Start with enrollment, complete the virtual modules and tests, finish your supervised practical workshop, and receive your certification to move forward in your career. Completing this program earns you 24 transferable QCTO credits, significantly accelerating your entry into higher-tier occupational qualifications like those for solar PV, solar water heating, or wind turbine service technicians. Ready to start your journey? Partner with us for corporate sponsorship, or register for our next intake by visiting our website, emailing us, or calling the number on your screen.